Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're using Opera browser and want to make sure it's up to date, you're in the right place. Keeping your browser updated is important for security, performance, and access to the latest features. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update Opera step by step. First, open your Opera browser on your computer. Next, click on the Opera logo at the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, scroll down and click on About Opera. This will take you to the About page, where Opera will automatically start checking for updates. If an update is available, it will begin downloading right away. Once the update is downloaded, you will see a button that says Relaunch Now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials and browser tips. If this video helped you, leave a like or comment below. Stay safe and see you next time.